Hi everyone, in front of me I've got VIVO V60 Lite and let me share with you how to check the total screen time on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down until we'll find the digital well-being and parental controls. Let's tap. So here we've got the graph which will show us for how long we've been using this device today. In my case it's 1 hour and 14 minutes and most of the time I've spent on the settings. You can tap inside the graph and you will be transferred to the dashboard where you can check the screen time in particular days of the week. You can compare them. And under it you've got the list of apps which you've been using with the specific time you've spent on them. You can also tap on the specific app in order to check the graph which is tightly connected with it. And obviously you can also compare it. I also wanted to discuss ways to disconnect, not all of them, but specifically app limits and, for example, focus mode. App limits are interesting because if you will decide that you are spending too much time on the specific app, you can set the limit. So, for example, let me choose the camera. Simply tap on this hourglass icon. And now we can set a limit. If I will set it, for example, for 1 hour and 30 minutes, it means that I am able to use this app for 1 hour and 30 minutes during a day. And after that time, the app will be blocked, and at midnight, the camera will reset. The app limit will reset, and tomorrow I will also be able to use it for 1 hour and 30 minutes. Moreover, I can set it for 0 hours and 0 minutes. Tap on OK, and you can see that the camera is a little bit grayed out. Same here. It's almost transparent. It is transparent. And after trying to open it, our device will show us this information that the timer ran out. So obviously it's quite easy to turn it off. I mean this app limit. However, this is it can act as our sign to maybe stop and maybe not trying to open the app. So I highly recommend to check this option. It's really nice. Moreover, here we've got something called focus mode. So for example, if you need the time for yourself, you need to work, study, spend time with your family, whatever, you can use this option. Basically, you're selecting distracting apps, usually, probably social media, etc. Simply tap on set a schedule, and here we can choose the start time and the end time, also the days of the week, specific days. And after tapping on set, your device will basically hide the notifications from those distracting apps. So you can basically focus on different things. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.